Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are diving into a housing trend that is taking the architectural world by storm, combining the nostalgic charm of rural living with the cutting-edge efficiency of modern construction. We are talking about farmhouse modular homes. A farmhouse modular home is a residence built using a modular construction process, but designed with the specific aesthetic of a traditional farmhouse. Unlike mobile homes, these are permanent structures built in sections or modules within a climate-controlled factory setting. Once the modules are completed, they are transported to the building site and assembled on a permanent foundation. The farmhouse aspect refers to the architectural style, which typically features gabled roofs, large porches, and a mix of rustic and industrial materials like wood siding and metal roofing. It is essentially the marriage of classic American heritage and 21st century building technology. Choosing a farmhouse modular home offers several significant advantages over traditional stick-built construction. One of the primary benefits is the speed of completion. Because the home is built indoors, there are no weather delays, and the site preparation can happen simultaneously with the factory build. Furthermore, the controlled environment of a factory ensures higher precision and less material waste, making it a more sustainable and cost-effective option. Modular homes are often more energy efficient due to tighter construction standards required for transport, and they offer incredible design flexibility. You can achieve the high-end look of a custom-built modern farmhouse at a fraction of the time, and often at a more predictable price point. To make your farmhouse modular home look truly stunning, you should focus on creating a balance between clean lines and rustic textures. Start with a high-contrast color palette. White board-in batten siding paired with black window frames is a quintessential modern farmhouse look. Incorporating natural wood accents, such as cedar pillars on the porch or wooden shutters, adds warmth and prevents the home from looking too sterile. Lighting also plays a crucial role. Consider oversized gooseneck lamps or industrial-style lanterns to flank your entryways. Finally, don't forget the landscaping. Soft greenery and stone pathways help ground the structure and enhance the country living vibe, making the transition from the modular structure to the natural environment seamless. The most successful farmhouse modular designs incorporate specific architectural elements that define the style. A wraparound or deep front porch is perhaps the most iconic feature, providing a functional outdoor living space and a welcoming entryway. Metal roofing, particularly in charcoal or black, is another staple that offers durability and a sleek industrial edge. Inside and out, large windows with black or dark bronze grids are essential for flooding the space with natural light and framing views of the surrounding landscape. Other key elements include sliding barn doors, exposed wooden beams, and the use of reclaimed materials for accents. By focusing on these timeless details, you ensure that your modular home maintains its character and value for years to come. Now, let's look at the top 10 best farmhouse modular homes ideas that perfectly illustrate these concepts, inspired by the incredible designs ideas. One, the Midnight Gable Retreat. This striking design features a deep charcoal exterior that brings a contemporary edge to the classic farmhouse silhouette. The sharp gabled roof line and warm wood accents around the windows and entryway create a sophisticated contrast, proving that a farmhouse doesn't always have to be white to be beautiful. 2. The Modern White Manor. A quintessential example of the modern farmhouse aesthetic, this large-scale modular home uses bright white siding and expansive black-framed windows. The design features multiple wings and a seamless transition to a large rear patio, making it perfect for families who love to entertain both indoors and out. 3. Classic stone chimney cottage. This design leans into traditional roots with its beautiful stone chimneys and a sprawling front porch supported by heavy timber beams. The light gray metal roof and dormer windows give it a storybook feel, while the hanging swings on the porch invite hours of relaxation. 4. The suburban ranch farmhouse. Perfect for those who prefer single-level living, this wide-profile modular home combines white stucco with rich wood paneling and stone accents. The integrated garage and clean, horizontal lines make it a great fit for modern suburban lots while maintaining that coveted rustic charm. 5. The two-story charcoal barnhouse. This vertical design utilizes dark board-in batten siding and natural wood shutters to create a bold, barn-inspired look. The covered porch with black railings provides a sheltered spot to enjoy the outdoors, and the high-set windows suggest a spacious, airy interior. 6. The elegant wraparound farmhouse. Featuring a stunning wraparound porch and a crisp white exterior, this home is the definition of curb appeal. The dark gray metal roof and symmetrical dormers provide a balanced, stately appearance that looks right at home in any countryside setting. 7. The Sunset View Estate. This large modular home is designed to capture natural light from every angle. With a mix of gabled roofs and flat roof sections, it offers a more complex architectural profile. The warm interior lighting glowing through the many windows creates a cozy, inviting atmosphere as the sun sets. 8. The minimalist country cabin. A smaller, more efficient take on the farmhouse style. This home features a steep gabled roof and a simple, clean porch. The use of white siding and natural wood doors makes it feel bright and larger than its footprint, perfect for a guest house or a minimalist primary residence. 9. The multi-wing architectural farmhouse. This design uses different sections to create a courtyard-like feel in the front yard. The white vertical siding is accented by black lanterns and large glass doors, offering a very modern take on the farmhouse layout that prioritizes flow and accessibility. 10. The grand timber frame farmhouse. With its prominent timber frame porch and brick foundation, this home exudes a sense of strength and permanence. The dormer windows and dark roofing add architectural interest, while the meticulously manicured lawn and stone walkways complete the picture-perfect farmhouse look. Farmhouse modular homes are more than just a passing trend. They represent a smarter, faster, and more beautiful way to build. By combining the efficiency of factory construction with the timeless elements of farmhouse design, like porches, gables, and high-contrast finishes, you can create a home that is both modern and deeply rooted in tradition. Whether you prefer a bold charcoal exterior or a classic white-on-black look, the modular process allows for incredible customization to fit your lifestyle and your land. If you enjoyed this tour of the best farmhouse modular homes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural inspiration. Which of our top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a new video on how to design your dream home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.